Cladding's arriving in about 5 minutes. Cladding is here. Cladding is here. I'm so excited, my cladding's arriving. Cladding's arrived. Cladding's arrived. And some extra timber stuff. I'm really excited about the cladding. I don't know why, I just really am.